In this video, I'm showing you how to quickly and easily create duct tape of satisfactory quality. This approach allows you to add new elements to your project in just 5 minutes. Firstly, I create a layer that serves as a technical layer for mask creation. I add the fill channel and apply the alpha square rectangular to the mask. By using the triplanar mode with a crop, I obtain a strip that will be used as a coil of duct tape. Next, I adjust the width and position of the layer and make it 80% opaque to simulate the effect of overlapping turns. To avoid reconfiguring, I duplicate the fill layer and change the overlay mode to linear dodge. Now I can duplicate this layer as many times as need to create the winding mask with duct tape. To soften the border between the turns, I add the blur effect. The original mask is now ready, and I add an anchor to it. Next, I create a layer with the base color of the tape. I add the anchor to the mask and use levels to make the mask a solid fill, ensuring that the underlying material does not show through. Returning to original mask, I refine it further. I add the fill with the grunge texture, crease is soft, and adjust the tiling parameters. I change the overlay mode to subtract and make the layer translucent. On the top of that, I apply the blur filter and another anchor for convenience. Now I create a layer that controls the high I add the fill with the second anchor to the mask and make slight adjustment with the layer. At any point you can go back to the previous layers and edit any parameters since everything remains procedural. Creating another layer on the top, I use it to introduce color variation by assigning a slightly different shades to the duct tape. I added the second anchor to the mask and adjust the levels. Next, I create a layer for dust to create a more organic art transition between the background and the tape. I add the first anchor to the mask followed by the high pass filter. I adjust the radius and use levels to refine the mask. Then I add the fill with grunge dust on the top and apply it using the multiply mode. For some variation I add another grunge layer with more details. It is set to overlay mode and made semi-transparent. I calibrated parameters for better visual effect. Once again, I go back and adjust the shape of the tape coils. Now you can manually add unique elements to the tape. I erase parts of the mask to create a free edge appearance. I also draw the warped edge by hand. Finally, I make further adjustment to the placement of the tape coils. This method may not provide the highest quality and universality, but if you need a quickly accurate duct tape during the texturing stage, you can confidently use it. This method may not provide the highest quality and universality, but if you need to quickly create duct tape during the texturing stage, you can confidently use it. You can download the Painter project for free from my Artstation page, the link provided in the description. Thank you, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel.